Good morning. Greetings to all the members and viewers. I am very glad to inaugurate a 5-day internship program on renewable energy resources and its applications from 13/7/2020 to 17/7/2020. This internship program is jointly organized by the PG and Research Department of Physics, IQAC of the MDT Hindu College and Arunmighu Palaniyandavar College of Arts for Women, Palani. The Managing Committee of the Educational Society runs a college which consists of influential Hindu gentlemen elected by the Educational Society Tirunelveli. The office bearers and the members of the Educational Society are Thiru S. Meenakssundaram, BSc BL, President, Thiru M. Chellaya, MA, Secretary, Thiru B.T. Sidambaram, BSc BL, Treasurer, Dr. R. Suresh, Member, Thiru A.L.S. Shanmugam, DCE, Member, Thiru Dalavai R. Thirumalayappan, Member. The hereditary member is Thiru T. Sandesh, MBA. The nominated members are Thiru B. Rajagopal, DME, Thiru P. Velmurugan. My hearty welcome to Managing Committee members, faculty members, and students of the MDT Hindu College. On behalf of our college and my own behalf, my sincere welcome to the Managing Committee members, faculty members, and students of Arunmighu Palaniyandavar College of Arts for Women. First, I wish to say few words about the esteemed institution, the Madurai Thiraviyam Thaimanavar Hindu College. The Hindu College Tirunelveli is one of the oldest first grade institutions in Tirunelveli district and the alma mater of most of the distinguished sons of Tirunelveli, offers unique opportunities of higher education of boys and girls of all creeds, caste and communities in the district. It was started as a second grade college in 1878. As a second grade college, the institution was the pride of Tirunelveli district and it became one of the most efficient colleges in the presidential and richly deserved its primacy of honor. The Latin device Age Code Aegis is the college motto. It means that anything that is done shall be done well and properly. The college had the honor of having the first principal, Professor P. Sundaram Pillai, a man of letters whose Manonmaniyam is regarded as a seminal work in the genre of poetic drama in Tamil and southernmost part of India, Manonmaniyam Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli, and whose 150 years of birth was recently celebrated by the university. The name of the institution was renamed as the Madurai Thiraviyam Thaimanavar Hindu College on 23rd January 1936. On receipt of a munificent donation of ₹1,01 from Mr. M. Thiraviyam Pillai avargal and Thaimanaswamy Pillai avargal of Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Our college celebrated the 100-year in the year 1978 on 14 to 16 April 1979. The then Prime Minister of India, Sri Morarji Desai, inaugurated the celebrations under the presidency of Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri M.G. Ramachandran avargal. Our college celebrated the post-centenary Silver Jubilee valedictory function on January 3rd, 2005. Honorable Finance Minister was the chief guest of the August presence. Prior to 1972, under 2F and 12B, our college was recognized by the University Grants Commission. One of the 5 colleges in Tamil Nadu, it is one of the first 2 colleges which came into existence in South Tamil Nadu in 1878. The MDT Hindu College is the oldest first grade institution in Tirunelveli district. The great Manoanmaniyam Sundaram Pillai was the first principal of our college. The following alumni have adorned the office of the Vice Chancellors of various universities. Dr. K.P. Srinivasa Iyengar, Andhra University. Dr. V.A. Subramanian, Tanjore Tamil University. Dr. Venkata Subramanian, Pondicherry University. Dr. M.D.K. Kuthalingam, Madurai Kamaraj University. Dr. R.M. Gandhigram Rural University. Dr. S. Sidambara Subramanian, an old student of our college, adorned the post of Registrar of Madurai Kamaraj University during 1991 to 1993. Dr. A. Subramanian, an alumni of our college, adorned the post of Dean College Development Council of Manoanmaniyam Sundarnar University during 2012 to 2014. Mr. P. Muthaiya Pillai, who was serving as a lecturer in our college, was elected as Member of Parliament of Tirunelveli Parliament constituency in the year 1962. 9 UG programs and 5 PG programs are offered in our college. 6 UG programs are offered under self-financing stream. In 1961, BSc Physics was introduced. In 1983, MSc Physics was started. And in the year 2015, MPhil Physics was started. In the year 2018, Research Center was recognized by Manoanmaniyam Sundarnar University. Instrumentation Lab 35 lakhs, Biomass Gasifier 7 lakhs, E-Learning Room 5 lakhs, established with the help of DST FIST Fund of rupees 70 lakhs in the year 2014. 6 faculty members are recognized guides. 24 research scholars are doing PhD under the guidance of our college faculty members of PG and Research Department of Physics. Kalam Charity established during 2005 to 2018 by Dr. K. Balasubramanian. Along with him, BSc students in the year 2013 to 14, rupees 11,400 was distributed to 12 students. I am very glad to inform you that 12 students were benefited every year. On 13/7/2020, in the technical session 1, Dr. D. Mutturaj delivered a special lecture on solar energy, a real-time applications, and in the technical session 2, Mrs. D. Guruvamal delivered a special lecture on introduction about solar energy. On 14/7/2020, in the technical session 3, Dr. K. Balasubramanian delivered a special lecture on tidal energy, and in technical session 4, Dr. J. Uma Maheswari delivered a special lecture on energy conservation. On 15/7/2020, in the technical session 5, Mr. N. Arumachami delivered a special lecture on hydropower, and in the technical session 6, Dr. A.S.I. Joyce India delivered a special lecture on wind energy. On 16/7/2020, in the technical session 7, Dr. D. Silambarasan delivered a special lecture on hydrogen, a next fuel. And in the technical session 8, Mr. R. Subhash Chandra Bose delivered a special lecture on thermal energy. On 17/7/2020, in the technical session 9, Dr. A.M. Sita Lakshmi, organizing secretary, delivered a special lecture on bioenergy, an alternative energy resource for power generation, and to explain about biomass gasifier in the demo session. My hearty welcome to all the faculty members. On behalf of our college management, my own behalf, teaching and non-teaching staff and students, my hearty welcome to Dr. D. Mutturaj, head and faculty members of the PG and the Research Department of Physics of the MTT Hindu College, Tirunelveli, Arulmigu Palani and our Arts College for Women, and Dr. K. Balasubramanian, IQAC Coordinator. In the lockdown situation, Dr. D. Mutturaj, convener, and Dr. A.M. Sita Lakshmi, organizing secretary, Department of Physics, the MDT Hindu College, Tirunelveli, have taken several steps to organize this 5-day internship program in consultation with other faculties. Hearty congratulations and welcome to Dr. D. Mutturaj, convener, and Dr. A.M. Sita Lakshmi, organizing secretary. Also, my best wishes and welcome to organizing committee members, research scholars, students, and participants. Sincere welcome to all the heads, staff members, and students of our college who have directly or indirectly involved for the preparatory work of program and to give your valuable suggestions regarding this 5-day internship program. Thank you very much.